Children, how are you? I hope you all safe at home. Today our topic is algebraic expressions. In this video, I'm going to teach you what is the definition of algebraic expression and what are the different types of algebraic expressions and what is the degree of algebraic expression. So first, what is the definition of algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is an expression that consists of variables and constants which are combined by arithmetic operations. So, to know briefly about this one, let me recall the concept of previous video. In the previous video, you have learnt about the areas of different quadrilaterals and different solids. From that, I am taking area of parallelogram as an example. What is the formula for area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is equals to base into height, that is b into h. So here you expressed the area of parallelogram as a combination of base and height, combination of b and h. That means if you have given different values for b and h, you are getting different parallelograms of different areas. So here giving different values is nothing but various values you are giving. So b and h are called variables. Variable means different. So here b and h are variables. These variables are combined by an arithmetical operation into. So that is b into h. So here b into h is nothing but algebraic expression. B into h is algebraic expression. So here you expressed area of parallelogram as an algebraic expression b into h. So let me take another example. Area of rhombus. What is the formula of area of rhombus? Area of rhombus is equals to half into d1 into d2. Half into d1 into d2. That means if you have given different d1 and d2 values, you will get different rhombus of different areas. So here d1 and d2 are called variables, and half is a numerical value. We will call it as constant. So here variables can be small alphabets and constant can be a rational number or a natural number or a real number. So into arithmetical operations are nothing but plus, minus, into, addition, subtraction and multiplication. So this is the definition of algebraic. Next topic is types of algebraic expressions. Before going to the topic directly, first let me recall what are like terms and what are unlike terms. Like terms are the terms which contains same variable and same powers. Same variable and same powers. For suppose if you have taken example like 2x and 5x. See here in the 2x and the 5x, the variable is x and the power of x in the both the cases is 1. So here 2x and 5x are like terms. It's unlike terms. Unlike terms means the terms which doesn't contain same variable and same powers. For suppose if you have taken example like 2x and 5x square. So here the variable is x but the powers of variable is different. In the 2x the power of x is 1. In 5x square the power of x is 2. So these two are unlike terms. And let's take another example. 2x and 3y. 2x and 3y. Here in the first term the variable is x and in the second one the variable is y. So here we are having different variables but the powers are same in the both the cases. Here these two are also unlike terms. So now next I am going to discuss about algebraic expression. Just keep these definitions of like and unlike terms in your mind. Now we are going to use that concept. So types of algebraic expressions. First one, if an algebraic expression contains one term, we will call it as an monomial. Mono means single. Single means one. If an algebraic expression contains one term, we will call it as monomial. For example, x square. X square, it's a single term expression, so it is called as monomial. Another example, 2x. 5x, 4x square, x cube. These are all monomials. Next one is binomial. Bi means 2. If an algebraic expression contains 2 terms, we will call it as 2 unlike terms is called as binomial. Binomial is an algebraic expression which contains 2 unlike terms. Here I am stressing on the word unlike terms. So let me give an example for this to understand, to get a better understand on this. For suppose if I said 2x plus 5x, so it's containing 2 terms, 2x plus 5x, but is it a binomial? No. Why? Because 2x and 5x, 2x plus 5x. Here in these both the terms, the variable is x and the power of x is same. So you can add up these two. Why? Because these two are like terms. 2x plus 5x is a 7x. So it's a monomial, not a binomial. Then what is the example for binomial? If you have taken like 2x plus 3. So here 2x and 3 are unlike terms. So it's an example for binomial. So binomial is an algebraic expression which contains 2 unlike terms. Next one is trinomial. Tri means 3. So an algebraic expression which contains 3 terms is called as a trinomial. So an algebraic expression which contains 3 unlike terms is called a trinomial. So let's take an example for that. 3x square plus 2x plus 5. So here all the terms are unlike terms. So it's containing 3 terms. So this expression is a trinomial. Next, if an algebraic expression contains more than 3 terms, we can call it as multinomials. So more than 3 means you can call it as multinomial algebraic expression. There is another one called polynomials. Polynomials are nothing but an algebraic expressions which contains more than 1 term. We can call all that expressions as polynomials. That means binomial, trinomial, multinomials, these all will come under polynomials. Next concept is degree of algebraic expression. What is that? Degree of algebraic expression. What is degree of algebraic expression? It's nothing but if you have taken, we know how to find the degree or the power of individual terms. For suppose 2x if you have taken, what is the power of here 2x? 2, what is the variable power? 1. X means x to the power of 1. So here that degree of this term is 1. If you have taken 3x square, so here the variable is x and its power is 2. So 3x square degree is 2. Like that, here you are able to find the degree of individual terms. But coming to the expression, how we will find the degree of expression? So degree of expression is nothing but the highest power among the variables involved in that expression. Let me take an example for this to get better understanding about this. X cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 6. So I took an expression x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 6. So here there are 4 terms, x cube, 2x square, 4x and 6. What is the degree of first term? 3. Why? Because the power of a variable is 3. What is the degree of second term? 2. What is the degree of third term? 1. What is the degree of fourth term? 0. So among all these terms, which term degree is more? Which term is having more degree? First term, that is 3. So among all these degrees, what is the greater value? 3. So that's why the expression degree is 3. The highest power among all the variables involved in this is 3. So like this we will find the degree of algebraic expression. Thank you.